You just drove away from the shop with a fresh oil change, feeling confident that your engine is protected. But while you are focused on the lubrication, your vehicle has other critical needs that usually get completely ignored. Today, we are talking about the forgotten maintenance items. These are the parts that do not trigger a check engine light until they leave you stranded on the side of the highway. Everyone knows to change their oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but cars also have milestone maintenance. These are heavy hitters, like belts and chains, that quietly reach the end of their lifespan around 60,000 or 100,000 miles. Missing these milestones is a huge mistake, because they do not follow a simple oil change schedule. They require their own specific replacement intervals. Let us start with the biggest one. The timing belt. This belt keeps your engine's top and bottom halves moving together perfectly in sync. Because it is hidden behind a cover, out of sight truly means out of mind. If you ignore the replacement interval and this belt snaps while you are driving down the interstate, it can instantly destroy your engine, turning a standard maintenance job into a massive financial disaster. Next is the serpentine belt, which you might hear squeal before it fails, but not always. You need to take a flashlight and physically check it for dry rot, fraying, or cracks along the edges. If this belt breaks while you are on the road, you will immediately lose your alternator, water pump, and power steering all at once, leaving you dead in the water. Then we have the fuel filter, a highly misunderstood part that causes a lot of confusion. On older vehicles, the inline fuel filter gets completely ignored and slowly clogs with sediment over the years. This buildup eventually starves the engine, causing poor acceleration, rough idling, and ultimately a completely dead fuel pump that will leave you calling for a tow truck. On modern vehicles, however, this filter is often built directly into the fuel pump assembly right inside the gas tank. Many of these are considered lifetime parts, but you absolutely must check your specific owner's manual to be certain. Do not waste time looking for an inline filter under the car if your manufacturer integrated it into the tank itself. Finally, do not forget the simple things at every service, like your spare tire pressure and your cabin air filter. Most spare tires need 60 psi, and a flat spare in the trunk does you absolutely no good in an emergency. Swap out your cabin air filter to keep your air conditioning blowing strong and smelling clean. Oil changes are routine, but these milestone maintenance events are critical, so check your manual today.